Happened to you guys? Oh God! Everybody's accounted for.
Right here.
You got everybody?
Right here.
Everybody's accounted for.
That's the non-police.
You all right? What's up, Patty?
I can't believe we all made it out. How did we make it out of that building? 30 seconds. Another 2 flights higher. Why am I alive? So many others are dead.
Got down to the lobby and we saw they abandoned the command post. We knew we were in trouble.
We came down. It was much worse than it was when we went up.
Yeah.
Right? We went up and they had everything set up. We came down. It was desolate. It was like, holy shit.
We came down to the lobby. It was like crossing the wars. There was nobody there. Well, fuck. What do we do? We made it outside. We made it about a block.
We made it at least 2 blocks, and we started running, floor by floor, instead of popping out.
It was if they had detonated.
Yeah,
detonated. They were planned to take down a building. Boom, 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 boom.
All the way down. I was watching it and running.
Just ran up West
And then you just sort of this cloud of shit chasing you down.
Couldn't outrun it.
West Street.
You couldn't outrun it.
So what'd you do?
I jumped behind a battalion car. I hit under the car. I was just waiting to die.
The scene here is reminiscent of a nuclear winter.
Right now, everyone is walking around with masks, covering their face. There are people just wandering the streets, covered in blood, covered in plaster. They were near the site when the buildings collapsed.
You have 2 110-story office buildings. You don't find a desk. You don't find a chair. You don't find a telephone, a computer. The biggest piece of a telephone I found was half of the keypad, and it was about this big. The building collapsed to dust. How are we supposed to find anybody in this, that there's nothing left of the building?
Bucket!